Alright guys, good morning and welcome to today's class. My name is Peter Tulola and today we'll be teaching questions on stoichiometry. Now let me be very brief on this video. Now, okay, we want to solve questions like this. They say what mass of layer 2 charge 95? They give us the formula for the layer 2 charge 95 there. We'll be required to yield 9 grams of lead 2 chloride. Now, as usual, you can pause this video, write the question and follow my explanation. Stoichiometry question actually requires equation for the reaction. Now they said what mass of lead 2 charge 95? PbNO32 will be required to yield. That means lead 2 chloride will be in the product on the addition of excess sodium chloride plus NaCl. We yield, you first for write the PbCO2. In case you don't know, we got that Pb lead is Pb2 plus chloride Cl minus. So these two comes here. So that's why we have PbCO2. Then plus here you are going to have NaNO3. Pb has already gone. So you have NaNO3 sodium charge 95. These are the equation for the reaction will look like. Now let's balance it whether it is balanced. Sodium here is 1, sodium here is 1, chlorine is 2. Let me add 2 here. So chlorine is 2, chlorine is 2, Pb is 1, Pb is 1. But sodium here is 2, sodium here is 1. Let me add 2 here. I feel the equation is balanced now. Pb 1, Pb 1. Nitrogen is 2, nitrogen is 2. Oxygen here is 6, oxygen here is 3 times 2, 6. Sodium is 2. Okay, the equation is balanced. The equation is balanced. Now, the stoichiometry is used in, there's a statement that I tell students that use the known to get the unknown. You are looking for the mass of, what mass of charge 95, lead 2 charge 95 will be required. This is what you are looking for. And they gave you for lead 2 chloride. So just equate it together. I get that when you get to an session, they will teach you early limiting reagent, etc. like that. The reagent that is used in a chemical reaction are not totally used up. So if you look at this here now, you can calculate the molar mass of PbNO32. As a teacher, I've done this several. I know this is 331, but you can just do 207 plus this is 14 plus 48. I've already done 3 times 16 times 2. 14 plus 40, that is 62. 62 times 2, 124. 124 plus 207, that will give us 331. Alright, so you now write 331 gram of PbNO32 give us for PbCO2, that should be 278. Give us 278 gram of PbCO2. This one, chlorine is 35.5. So we now do 35.5 times 2. That is 71. 71 plus 207. And that will go to 78. So this is the known. Now what is the unknown? What mass of lead 2? So here I have X gram of PbNO32. They gave me that from the stoichiometry, from the question they said they gave me 9 gram of lead 2 chloride. So gave me 9 gram of lead 2 chloride. I will now equate it. So X will be equals to, that will be 331 times 9 divided by 278. Using my calculator, I'm going to have 10.7 gram of what? Of PbNO32. It's a very simple basic concept of chemistry. Let me shift back so that we can digest the content. You've seen the question. Remember, equation for the reaction. Get the two connecting factor. Use this mass to get this mass. If they give you the equation for the reaction, every compound have the how will I put it, the molar mass, which is measured in gram per mole. It means for 1 mole of that compound, it has a particular mass. If this one was 2, we would have multiplied this by 2. If it was 2 mole, because it's 1 mole of PbCO2, so it means 1 mole of PbCO2 contains 278 gram of PbCO2. So get the stoichiometry. You should be able to solve questions like this. There are many. It's a very, very vital aspect of chemistry, not just for secondary school alone, but both for higher institution. Follow, and I think even JS3, I've started teaching them how to get molar mass of complex compound. So the molar mass shouldn't be a problem. Just equate it. When you equate it, you'll be able to get the final answers. They will say how stoichiometry involving gas, but let us understand this basic aspect of stoichiometry. If there's any question, you can engage me in the comment section. I'll be able to put you guys through. Wish you all the very best.